kuble pi baro nakaliang kadu dashen kendra Shillong ipdiang saupai pi syakatup kubor mataka janmit shwaban pash ki kubor nginya pet shwai ki mat bakong san dap system kajing aitika yada COVID-19 hakari mataka sngi Palat arlak nyopwe hajar ngut ki biabit thamaya kajing pang COVID-19 hakari haki arp saw kenta balala Betha Sarkar Jilla ya ke NBCC bat ki bor penyai district ban yada ya ke Shnong Lingkong ban lait na ke jingsha pendam Shnong. Bat pentikna ka AITC bala ban lep ha ka election sya ke yem dor ba thau an ke Jilla ke ban long house nem 8000 arkulai thmu ban ya le na baro view photali ki constituency. Ki khubor ki babdia Dapshis nam kajing ai tika yada COVID-19 hakari hapo ka nationwide vaccination drive mataka sngi. Day hakani ka sngi jong snem balala umintri rang ba do kari Narendra Modi ula palat patba ya kajing ai yada ka babuntam haka perthai banyak kun persya ya kani ka khlam. Haba ai jingkren hakani ka sngi Modi ula ong ba pat jujia haka history bakan don kum kani kajing ai tika yada ka babuntam. Lasdang ya kajing ai tika yada min haka kan riu turik ukala langkot jong snem balala. Haka juk kapor Modi ai kublai kerpang ya baro kinong trei ki balai don benta haka ni kajing ai tika halor kajing dap shi snem ka jongka. Link ba ke Twitter Modi ula ong ba kajing la ban ai tika yada COVID-19 kalapen klan shu ya kajing kun persya ya kani kajing pang. Uben rap ru ba kala yada ya kajing embryo ba ya ka kamai kaji. Ladan palat arlak nyopwe hajar ngut ki bayo ya kajing pang COVID-19 haki arp saw kenta balala. Kajing don jong ki bayo yo Omicron kalong nyo hajar nyo spa saw pulai ngut hakari hadu menta kabaken tiaw ya kajing don jong ki bayo ya uni kunyang jingpang syaka arpu pra point iwe nyo nakashi spa. Ladan lai spa kat prangut ki balaklat na kani kajing pang haki arp saw kenta balala. Kajing don jong ki badang sumar kalong kan riu point arpra nakashi spa. Kadba ha Meghalaya, kandai pesan nakashispa ki badon ya kidakishin ki day ki biabit yaw Omicron. Bat kajing don jong ki biabit thamai ya kani kajing pang ha kajilla negasngi kalong arspa khat wengut bat nyop saw ngut ki balakon. Ka Sarkar Jilla kalabatha ya ka National Building Construction Corporation NBCC bat ki bor penyat ke East Khasi Hills District ban shimkhia halor ke jingker signer ya ki jaka khaput bat ka Bangladesh syapang ka zero line knang ban yada ya ka Shnong Lingkong ban lat na ka jingsha pendam Shnong nakari kinong Shnong kani ka Shnong kila penpaw ya ka jingma yo sya pendam Shnong onda ka sedang biang ya ka jingker signer lapin sange shipor ya ka jingker signer hadien belami ka jing persya na kinong Shnong da ka bapin syai ba ka NBCC kadang yale banwat da ki way pat kilat kilenti usimbot mentri rang ba ka Jilla uba preston tinsong ulaong ba ki Shnong ki badon kham sha jngai ki dei ban hap hapo uput usam jong ka ri India haba care signer ya ki jaka khaput uba preston ulaong kila bandon katu kani ki jaka rep ki badon shalindet ki jaka care signer henry hakabia dei bat ka jing pendam Shnong kan wan ra jing e
which is made by the government of India. Because if the village is outside, I think we will have problem. That is true. We will have problem. If you say about the farming land and all, that is different issue. But if you say the village should go outside, I think that is little complicated. So for this issue, we have already instructed district administration to work out with national NBCC, we got National Building Corporation, to work out the possibility of how to push the fencing towards the zero.
Ka Sarkar Jilla kan sa penlong ya ka jingekren bat ki nong tre ka National Highway Authority of India NHAI la syai ka sngi hadien balayo jingtip baladon ka jing orpat jong ka jingking Sonapur haba batay halor kani simbut mentri rang ba ka Jilla ba preston tinsong ulaong ba ki nong tre ka NHAI kila de banjurip ya ka te ka jingking bat kin sa shimkhia halor kani ka kinhun ki nong tre ka NHAI kila de ban pendep ya ka jing jurip ya ka jingking Sonapur ka badon ha East Khasi Hills ka jingking Sonapur ka so ya ka Meghalaya bat ka Char District ka Assam bat ki Jilla ka than chite lami ngi kom ka Tripura bat Manipur
fencing within the international fencing which is made by the government. About this issue, then you can mediate for that Sonapur bridge, because the expert has already inspected that thing, and then they walk out, and I will call anything on Monday.
State President ka All India Trinamool Congress AITC uba Charles Pingrop ulakam baka seng kala ban lebha ha ka election siya ka yeng dorbar tauan ke jilla ka ban long house nem arhajar arpulai batmu banyale na baro nriu putali ki constituency uong baka seng ka don pahu ka por ban penkre na kabenta ka election arhajar arpulai hadin balami ki khubor baka AITC kanyale bha tang na Garo Hills bat ha Khasi bat Jaintia Hills uba Pingrop ulaong baka seng kanyale bharu ha Khasi ba Jaintia Hills. Ha kaju ka portion ka AITC kan sa pleno yak office trekam ka jongka ha ka jilla. Ka seng ka la ru bantung yikit khot nongkit kam menta ubnai.
1 year is enough time to do the groundwork. Yes, now with the new variant of the COVID-19, the drawback is that people will suffer. Because again their livelihoods are affected. But it is a time now that we can reach out to them, in fact in a better way, so that they understand our ideologies and why and what we stand for and how we can take it forward. So time is sufficient. AITC has enough time for that. Within this month of January, we'll have the whole team on board. In fact, I have already signed the papers for the permanent office of the AITC in Shillong. That's near the press club. I think above the press club. That's a step forward, and we'll take it forward now.
Hadin ka jingmi no jong ki khat arngot ki MLA nakaseng ukli do kaseng Congress uba Vincent H Pala ula pintikna bakaseng kanyo jingjob bun haka election siya ka yeng dorbar tauan ke jilla ka ban long house nem arhajar arpulai uong bakaseng kanya kun na baro on riu potali ki constituency bat kanya kun ting na marka don ki kirtong ki babiang bat ki belakam nang kam start uong ba unsa let siya Garo Hills haka khat nyaw khat pra bat khat khandai tarik uni ubnai bat let siya baro ki block ki badon ha East Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills, but not Garo Hills. But ru unsa let siya ki shipotali ki block, but kat southerly ki block ki ban sawan ha ubnay uban wan. Hashwa kani uba pala uladet ban let siya baro ki block ki badon ha ki laipun riotali ki constituency ha Khasi bat Jaintia Hills. Shu ula batay baladet bantung ya kakenhuan ka ban penbit penbiang ya ki rukom trekam ka seng, but on pa siya ka AICC ban yo jing menjur.
For that, so preparation is on. And 17, 18, 19th I'll be in Garo Hills for visiting all the blocks in the East Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills, Southeast Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills and the North Garo Hills. So hopefully Garo Hills will visit for 10 blocks and the rest 14 blocks will visit next month. We have already set up a team for the proposal for the team for the setup for the manifesto who should be the company on. We already set up the team, but the approval by the central, especially from the state and the central, we have to have a combined team.
Mentapat nganyapet ya ka jinglong jingman kasun meneng ha Shillong. Kajing shit kalong kat sun point lai degree Celsius, but kajing kriat kalong saw point sun degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahaw-haw kalong san pupra na kashispa men step, ban riu punyaw na kashispa jan miet. Kasun meneng kan rang hakikatu kani kibenta ha Shillong. Ngipen kan mau ya pi ba ya kani ka khubor jungi phila ruban pet live ha ka YouTube channel jongka DD News Shillong. Shuaban poi siya kabukot jong katuk kubor nginyapet biang sa sisiyan niya kimat bakong san. Dak shisnem kajing IT kaya da COVID-19 hakari mentakas ni. Palat arlak nyopwe hajar mut kibiyabit kemaya kajing pang COVID-19 hakari haki arpsaw kenta balala. Betha kesorkar jela ya ke NBCC bat kibor penyai district ban yada ya ke Shnong Lingkong ban lait ya ke jimsha pendam Shnong. Bat pentikna ka AITC bala bande pha ha ka election chaka yem dor bar thau an gi jilla ka ban long house nam arhajar arpulai tmu banyale na baro ambiu putali ki constituency. Te parlok katung ila poi shaka bakut jong ka thup khubor jingi menta ka janmiet haduk bangin syam yang bat phila shaik sngi khublei phi baro